Hello guys, welcome back to Class of Learning. You're with Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide in this class all about MEG 16. That's the Indian folk literature, how to get the expected question this particular paper, as we have seen lots of you videos but unable to find out the videos that tells about the major question that we guys need to prepare for upcoming exams. So yaar, यहाँ पे I'm going to tell you each and every question that you guys must prepare for this particular paper and to crack at least 7 to 80 marks. For that, you just need to follow, like and share the channel so that you can press that bell icon too, so that you can get the notification and get all the details. So I'm not going to waste your time and come to the straightforward on the point. That is, so here we are having the questions for MEG 16. So MEG 16, the most expected questions that we need to prepare. सर ये कर लेते हैं तो क्या पेपर आराम से हो जाएगा 100%, seriously 100%. So first of all, you need to make these questions on your tips. So काफी ज़्यादा क्या? No, these are not. So we need to just follow the basics. Come to the first point. Give a brief. I repeat. Sorry, sir, brief हो गया. Brief था. Give a brief overview of the growth of folklore literature in India. So the very first question, really, the very first question I need to clear, that is the brief description of folklore literature. तो यहाँ पे आ गया सर द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज फोकलोर लिटरेचर. अब आई रियली डोंट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट द फोकलोर लिटरेचर एंड हाउ इट बीन स्टडीड इन इंडिया. तो यार मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे ये तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो कंफर्म पेपर में आएगा और किसी न किसी फॉर्म में पक्का आपको मिलेगा. So you guys need to follow this, and those who are not really have good command in English language, guys, don't worry. I do speak Hindi, but मैं English में बात करता हूँ, so that you can get each and everything in English too. So just follow the basics, and I'm going to tell you each and every point. Come to next one, number 2. That is, give a brief overview of the academic period. I'm telling you, this is not out of the side seriously. This is something that we need to clear from the beginning. Give a brief overview of the academic period in the growth of folklore studies in India. So that is folklore literature. अब उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्या, उसमें क्या ग्रोथ हुई, and then academic period that deals with this particular literature. तो यहाँ पे मैं इसी में डाल देता हूँ. So I need to add that academic year, academic period. तो इसको इसी में ऐड कर दिया मैंने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं किया आपका. फोकलोर लिटरेचर देन एकेडमिक पीरियड को ऑन टिप कर लेंगे. विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज इकोलॉजी इज एन इनएविटेबल एलिमेंट ऑफ फोकलोर. डिस्कस. यस, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, इसको मैं उसमें ऐड नहीं कर सकता, so I need to add it. The next one, here we need to come to the second one, that is ecology is an inevitable element of folklore. Discuss. So we are being clear with this. The first, folklore literature, academic period, ecology is an inevitable element of the folklore. Come to the third point. The third one is categorize legend and folk tales. Legends. Categorize legends and folk tales and discuss their functions in literature. So I'm talking about the legends and folklore and their functions in literature. Come next one. It's not lore, it's tales, folk tales. Categorize legends and folk tales. अब उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस बतानी है. क्वेश्चन बन गए पहले 3 और 4. सर अब थोड़ा आते हैं स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पॉइंट के ऊपर, जो सीधा सीधा क्वेश्चन आएंगे और हमें आने चाहिए. तो अगर फर्स्ट 3 या 4 की बात करता हूँ तो ये तो बेसिक फोकलोर लिटरेचर रिलेटेड थे. क्या है उनके कॉन्सेप्ट, क्या उनको हाईलाइट करता है. कम नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. कहता है डिफाइन मिथ. Yes, I'm talking myth. ये कंफर्म पेपर में आएगा किसी न किसी फॉर्म में। डिफाइन मिथ एंड एनालाइज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मिथ विद एग्जांपल, ये ऑन टिप होना चाहिए। सो डिफाइन मिथ, आई रिपीट, आपने कहा सर ये मिथ तो मुझे हर तरह से आना चाहिए, क्या है कॉन्सेप्ट, उसके किन चीजों को क्लियर कर रहा है, इसको प्लीज ऑन टिप कर लेना, बिकॉज व्हेन यू गोइंग फॉर योर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन आफ्टर योर मास्टर्स, तो ये वहां पे मिलेगा, वेयर इज द पीएचडी एंट्रेंस और सम अदर। कम टू नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज कॉन्टेक्चुअल थ्योरी ऑफ फोक टेल्स? कॉन्टेक्चुअल थ्योरी, व्हाट इज कॉन्टेक्चुअल थ्योरी ऑफ फोक टेल्स or folklore? What is contextual theory of folklore? Jump to the next one. We are having the next question. Why did Elwin, I repeat, why did Elwin collect and document tribal tales? I'm not going to share the question on board so that you can write on your own, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि इसमें टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट हो रहा है, and I really don't want to waste the time. We'll come to the question and you guys please write down these. मेरी पेज थोड़ी स्लो रहेगी so that you can write down easily. Can I? Why did VERRIER Elwin collect and document tribal tales? Question mark. Briefly discuss the various discoveries through his stories. जो उसने किया वो सब हमें बताना है। Come to the next one and this is the most important paper में आएगा. What is the cultural significance of the folk Ramayana song? Sir, Ramayana, I cannot leave this particular. It's a great epic of Indian religion. What is the cultural? I repeat. What is the cultural significance of the folk Ramayana songs? Discuss the reference of the Polar-Richmond test. So that is Polar-Richmond test. उसकी significance और उसका characteristics clear करना हमें यहाँ पे. Come to next one. Critically appreciate Patthar Panchali. Critically appreciate Patthar Panchali and the idea in it. पत्थर पंचाली 100% इससे क्वेश्चन पेपर में मिलेगा। ये है स्टोरी लाइन फ्रॉम द फोक टेल। चरणदास चोर भी आएगा, याद रखना उसको, पेपर में क्वेश्चन आता उसका, वो हमें आना भी चाहिए। I repeat the question for you guys. Can I hear the question come? कहता है critically appreciate पत्थर पंचाली and the idea in it. Come to the next question. Attempt a critical note. Yes, attempt a critical note on the ethnography. I repeat, attempt a critical note on the ethnographic details and the ecosystem. Ethnographic details and ecosystem of the Paraja tribe. Paraja tribe. सर Paraja ये तो हमने पहले ही पढ़ा था. Yes, we'll go through the Paraja in MG14 too. But यहाँ पे भी है तो वहाँ भी folk tales है, यहाँ भी folk tales है और हमें क्लियर करना है इस कॉन्सेप्ट को. आपने इंग्लिश ऑनर्स में भी पढ़ा होगा बैकग्राउंड रीडिंग में. I'm repeating the question. Attempt a critical note on the ethnographic details and an ecosystem of the Paraja tribe. Come to the next question. Characterize the great and little. Yes, this is something more. Characterize the great and little tradition in the study of folk tale. Repeating the question for you guys. Characterize the great and little traditions in the study of folklore. Sir, did you subscribe the channel till now? नहीं किया? Then how you get to know the answer of all these? Because I'm going to mention all these answers very soon. So do subscribe the channel immediately and don't forget to press the bell icon and must follow my Insta ID because all the uploads going to be there. That is at the Classy Rahul. And those who are interested to get all the notes so that crack the paper easily, that's the back side. You can see the number over there. You can follow that number and WhatsApp me for the details and get your notes. And notes are not free. You need to pay for the notes first. Come to the next one. So here we come to the next one. That is the characterize the great and the later tradition, the study of folklore. The last one that I have discussed. Now I'll come to the next question. Charan Das Chor. I have mentioned this earlier. Charan Das Chor. I repeat. Charan Das Chor is a benchmark. Yeah, it's a benchmark for theatre practitioners. It's It's a benchmark for the theatre practitioners, scholars and folklorists. से benchmark था किन के लिए? थिएटर लोग लिए एंड स्कॉलर्स के लिए और फोकलिस्ट के लिए. हाउ एंड कैसे उस कॉन्सेप्ट को पूरा क्लियर करना है? वी नीड टू गेट इट. कम टू नेक्स्ट वन. अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन विल कम इन अ पेपर. दिस इज डिस्कस गिरीश कर्नाड pivotal role in the development of modern Indian drama with a special reference to the Hayavardhana. सर ये तो मैं छोड़ने वाला ही नहीं, तो ये कंफर्म पेपर मिलेगा किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में. And I really need to do this by hook or by crook. Come to the next one. Discuss Girish Karnad pivotal role in development of the folk theatre. सर ये बदल गया, यहाँ हो ना in the development of folk theatre and modern Indian drama. This is we guys need to do his role in the development of folk theatre and modern Indian drama. Next I'll come to the major question जो पेपर में confirm as it मिलेगा आपको. How are the Ramayana and Mahabharata related to the tradition of oral epic in India? How they are related, Mahabharata and Ramayana, with oral epic in India. Come to next one. Almost the last questions के बाद देंगे short notes के ऊपर, and then it's all. Would you regard कांतापुरा as a post-colonial novel? सर मैंने पढ़ा हुआ कांतापुरा ऑन टिप पे, मैंने एमबीसी एग्जाम में पढ़ा था. So I really have no problem while preparing this one. Please, I'd be pleased to do this. कहता would you regard कांतापुरा as a post-colonial novel, substance with the textual references? तो reference वहाँ देनी है आपको. You guys can get the answer easily. Short notes. The very first तमाशा. सही वो क्वेश्चन जो कंफर्म होगा पेपर में, वो सबसे इजी है, तो खाली ये पढ़ लेना, कहीं से भी आ जाए क्वेश्चन आपको आंसर आता होगा. नंबर 1 तमाशा, नंबर 2 नौटंकी. द फर्स्ट तमाशा, द सेकंड वन नौटंकी, द नेक्स्ट वन सर दैट इज जात्रा, JATRA जात्रा. नेक्स्ट सर देशा, क्षत्रिया, नाडा एंड राजा. एक साथ ये देशा क्षत्रिया, अगर आप बोलो तो अच्छे से इसको कर लेना, ये कंफर्म आता है. फोक म्यूजिक, द फोक क्यूजन, Hayavardhana, palace, paradigm and epic discourse. I'm repeating, palace, paradigm and epic discourse. Songs of love and wedding in Indian folklore. Songs of love and wedding in Indian folklore. And then we have the narrative poems in literature. Yes, the narrative poems in literature. So these are the things that we guys need to do. I hope that you guys definitely going to follow these and then crack the paper easily. Till then, keep watching, like, share and subscribe if you think it's worth to watch. Bye guys.